bus with comfy little seats. C is for a car, zooming near and far. D is for a dump truck, working very hard. E is for excavator, digging every day. F is for a fire truck, clearing out the way. G is for a go-kart, racing on a track. H is for a helicopter, flying forth and back. I is for ice cream truck, music playing loud. J is for jeep, strong and mighty proud. K is for kayak, splashing in the sea. L is for a lorry, carrying things for me. M is for a motorbike, going super fast. N is for a narrow boat, slowly drifting past. O is for an off-roader, driving through the dirt. P is for a police car, keeping people alert. Q is for a quad bike, bouncing all around. R is for a rocket, blasting off the ground. S is for a scooter, sliding down the lane. T is for a taxi, through the snow or rain. U is for unicycle, balancing with care. V is for a van, taking goods to share. W is for wagon, hold along with glee. X is for extreme, racing like a bee. Y is for a waddle, sailing on the bay. Z is for a zeppelin, floating far away. Now we know our A to Z with vehicles from land, sky, and sea. Let's ride again another day. See